So last period we had seen the preparation of trading and profit and loss account. Okay, and we didn't prepare a balance sheet, so we will prepare the balance sheet. Eleventh question. Balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. So we will look at the trial balance. Bank overdraft, that is current liability. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft 10,000. 10,000. You will turn on your video. Bank overdraft 10,000. Next, cash in hand. Cash in hand 4,000. 4,000. Cash in hand 4,000. If the amount is wrong, you tell. Cash in hand. Then scooter, that is fixed asset. Scooter 8,000. Next, furniture, fixed asset. Furniture 5,200. Building, fixed assets. Building 65,000. Next, debtors, asset debtors 6,000. Next, capital, no other item. Creditors 16,000. Okay, then any other item, going overdraft. Now capital 50,000. With that, add net profit. So already we got 27,200 net profit. So 77,200, because here no drawings. Over. Then we have to look up adjustment. One adjustment is there, closing stock 15,000. Over. So 1,03,200. So next question, 12th one. Everyone turn on your video. Pavitra, Basil, Hadi, Sharath. So first item, Sharath stock. Where it will come? Trading and profit loss account and balance sheet. Where it will come? Stock. Opening stock.
Trading account.
Very good. Trading account. Next, cash. Anat. Cash.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Next, bank. Irfan. Muhammad Irfan. Bank. Irfan. Irfan. Bank. Trading and profit loss account and balance sheet. Okay. Bank. Pavitra. Bank. I can't hear anything. Atul. Bank.
Sir, balance sheet.
Balance sheet. You don't. Next, carriage on purchase. Atul. Carriage on purchase. Carriage on purchase means carriage inward. Trading account. Next, purchases. 5 item. Next, purchases. Atul.
The trading account.
Next, drawings.
Profit and loss.
Okay, profit and loss account. Next, Aparna, wages.
Sir, trading account.
Dictionary.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Next, debtors.
Balance sheet.
Next, postage.
Profit and loss account.
Sundry expenses.
Profit and loss account.
Rent.
Profit and loss account.
Furniture.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Next, Anach. Credit side. Sales.
Trading account.
Creditors.
Credit. Balance sheet.
Bills payable.
Sheet.
Balance sheet. Capital.
Sheet.
Next, adjustment closing
Balance.
stock. That Anila will tell. Anila, closing stock.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet, only balance sheet.
Trading.
Trading account, which side?
Credit.
Credit. Okay. So we will do that problem. It is easy. So only 3 more questions is there. That you can do without the help of me, but you have no time. That's why. Otherwise, I will give homework. Okay. Anyway, I will complete Saturday. Then I will start final account with adjustment. Same only that also with adjustment. Balance sheet, no. Trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. For the year ending. For the year ending 31st March 2014. To opening stock $20,000. Next, carriage on purchase. The other purchase is there, no. Two purchases. So you have to look in the credit side. Any purchase return. Any purchase return, Abarna?
No, sir.
Okay, so direct 1,90,000. Next, you have to look any wages. First wages we have to write. Then other direct expense. Wages 55,000. Next, carriage on purchase. 1,500. Next, any other expense? Anila, any other direct expense?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, by sales. So you have to look in the debit side, any sales return. Any sales return? Atul, any sales return? Debit side?
No, sir.
2,45,000. Now, closing stock. In this question, closing stock is given. Closing stock 8,000. Now we have to look which side is more. Here, debit side is more. Is it correct? Debit side is more. 2 lakh 10, 2 lakh 65. 67%. 2,66,500. Debit side total 2,66,500. Debit side is more. 66,500. Debit side, credit side only 2,53,000. So balance amount by gross loss. By gross loss, C bar D. So difference 13,500. So same here, carry down. So to gross loss B bar D, 13,500. Then we will write the direct expenses. Indirect expenses. To postage, $300. Next, sundry expenses. To sundry expenses, 1,700. Next, rent. To rent, 4,500. 4,500. Any other item, Aparna?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Credit side, any item? No item. So net loss only. Okay. 20,000. 20,000. It is by
Sir,
tell.
drawings is there, right?
Drawings from capital you have to minus. In balance sheet liability, capital add net profit less drawings. Okay.
Okay.
So by net loss, down only you have to write. Not here before the total. By net loss transferred to capital account. Sharath, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So next, balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. So first we have to look the trial balance. Cash bank, cash 5,000. Next bank 10,000. Next machinery, that is a fixed assets. Machinery 1 lakh. Machinery 1 lakh. Debtors, current assets, debtors 27,000. Next furniture 35,000. Then credit side we have to look. Creditors 10,000. Then it's bills payable 4,000. Bills payable 4,000. Creditors, bills payable, then capital. And you know other item. So capital we can write. Capital 2 lakh. Then Anjo, here net loss. Less or add net loss?
Minus.
Yes. Less net loss 20,000, 1,80,000. Then we have to look any drawings. In this question, drawings is there. Drawings, life insurance premium, income tax that we have to deduct. So drawings is given 9,000. 9,000. So 1,71,000. 1,71,000. Next adjustment, it is given closing stock. So that is current asset. Closing stock 8,000. Over. So total 1,85,000. 1,85,000. Okay, next. 13th question. Everyone turn on your video. 13th one. First 5. Anila, building,
Balance sheet.
plant,
Balance sheet.
carriage inward,
Trading.
wages,
Trading account.
purchases.
Account.
Next, Aditya, sales return,
Trading account.
sales return,
Trading account.
trading account, opening stock,
Trading account.
Next, missionary.
Balance sheet.
Okay, insurance. Correct. Insurance.
Profit and loss.
Profit and loss account. Next, interest.
Interest.
Interest. Tell. Interest. This mistake.
Profit and loss account.
Yes, profit and loss account. Next, bad debts. Bad debts.
Loss.
Profit and loss account. Postage. Aditya.
and loss account.
Profit and loss account. Discount.
Profit and loss.
Profit and loss account. Salary.
Profit and loss.
Debtors.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Very good. Next, Sharath. Sales. Credit side. Sales. Sales. Where?
Trading account.
Trading account. Loan. Sharath. You are only. Sharath.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Bills payable.
Balance sheet.
Bank overdraft.
Balance sheet.
Creditors.
Balance sheet.
Creditors.
Balance sheet.
Capital.
Balance sheet.
Purchase return.
Trading account.
Okay, very good. Okay. So we will do that. Trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. For the year ending. For the year ending. The question same date only, 31st March 2014. This account debit, credit. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So first item, to stock, opening stock. To opening stock. To opening stock, $9,000. If the amount is wrong, you have to tell 9,000. Next, to purchases. So you have to write, you have to look any purchase return. Yes, purchase return is there. So purchases 1,64,000. 1,64,000 less purchase return. Less purchase return. Purchase return 1,910. 1,910. Okay, so 090 261 1,62,090. So next, direct expenses, wages. This is their wages. To wages 3,300. 3,300. Next, to carriage inward. To carriage inward 1,000. Next, wages interest paid up discount, nothing, no item, no other item. by sales. So you have to look any sales return. Sales return is there. 1,80,000 less sales return. Sales return 1,820. 1,820. 8081. One lakh 78,000 180. 1,78,000 180. Next, buy closing stock. By closing stock 16,000. By closing stock 16,000. $78,180. So here debit side is more. One lakh 94,180. One lakh 94,180. 1,94,180 balance to gross loss C bar D. No other item, no other item, no other item minus. No other item.
Sir, gross profit.
Amount gross profit, okay. Sorry, gross loss I wrote gross profit. Amount let's do 9,000, 1,000, 3,300. Amount balance 18,000.
Sir, 18,790.
Yes, 18,790. Okay, not textual answer. By gross profit B bar D 18,790. Next, we'll post debit side. So anyway, you have to complete this problem. So if example, by 220 I will enter, but you have to complete. Okay, already you know. To insurance, to insurance 1,610. Next, interest to interest 1,100, 1,100. Next, bad debt to bad debt, to bad debt 250. Next, to postage, to postage 300. Then to discount to discount to discount 1000 salary is given. So first normally salary is 3000. Okay, so now you have to find which one, profit and loss account, then you prepare the balance sheet. Okay, so remaining you can do. Clear? Any problem? You can do, no? So no need to send. So if you are not getting answer means you can ask. Clear? Okay, next day we will complete this chapter, then we will start the new chapter. For example, if I get more period means next day I will start the final account with adjustment. Okay, so first many adjustments are there that we will study. Simple only. Clear? Thank you. So study for period test. Now you complete this problem.